Hello, this is Brixar. Today I'm going to be doing a video on what's in my applications folder. So let's just open that up there. We're just going to go through just pretty briefly all the applications I have installed on here. Well, not all of them, but the ones I find important. Address book, keep all your address contacts in here. I do not use it at all. App Store, you can place to download or buy apps. I just use the internet myself, so. App Zapper, this is a program that lets me, it's like App Cleaner, and it usually when you delete a program, you throw it in the trash, but with App Zapper, you can drag it into there and it finds all the related files. It works a little bit better than App Cleaner, except you have to pay for it. And there's, there's the smaller mode, and if you make it bigger, there's everything, applications, widgets, preferences panes, and plugins, a bunch of different stuff you can do. So I use that to delete unwanted stuff. Audacity is an app that lets me record audio and edit audio, export it, different things, make podcasts, make that bigger. I use it to record my vinyl records in iTunes, but it can be used for just anything audio, pretty much. Automator, I don't know what that is. Boot Exchanger, or Boot Exchanger, whatever it is, lets you change your boot image. You can put it back to the default. Most people use that, but I can use this. If I go into my documents in boot images, you can change it to any of these or use your own images, as long as it has less than 300 colors or something like that. I'm not really sure. Alright. Bump Top gives me my awesome 3D desktop with different pages. I have my school. Wait, I'm just going to minimize that. I have school, just app launching related, media, making videos, editing videos, and internet related. So that's my 3D desktop. Calculator, I probably should have that on the school pane. It's a calculator. Chess, you can play chess against your computer. Cloud is Cloud Client, gives me free unlimited online space with Amazon servers, I think. It's loading. And I have all my documents in there. So that's pretty good. Widgets, I just use this for ESPN sports scores pretty much, and translating. Devil Platypus, this lets me crack the Wi-Fi codes. Like if there's a Wi-Fi network that has a lock and says requires password, this can get the password for you. Pretty cool. Dictionary, I use this pretty much for Wikipedia and a dictionary. Pretty simple. Dropbox, I use that for web serving. Plays DVDs. Final Cut Express is a video final editing stuff. I use this. Well, I haven't gotten the chance to use it yet. But it's a pretty complicated video editing software that I use to kind of touch up my videos, or my stop motion videos. I haven't really gotten the chance to use it yet, but that's what I'm going to use it for. Font Book, I don't know. Front Row, it's like the media center. I love this. I use it like when I'm listening to music and not doing anything else, or watching a movie out of iTunes. Either my movies or music or something, so yeah, I like that a lot. Pretty clean interface. GarageBand is, pretty simple. This GetTube is a YouTube client. So you can download stuff from YouTube or watch, whatever. I like it a lot. Google Chrome's just my web browser of choice. Handbrake, I know pretty much everyone knows what this is. It lets you rip DVDs, or like Mac the Ripper, or what's it called? DVDX or something, I forget. iCalendar, I don't use this at all. I just use a real calendar, because if you'd rather boot up your computer to check if you have sports that day or whatever, that's fine, but I just use a real calculator. iChat, don't use that, I use Skype. iDVD is a nice DVD burning thing. Looks like the beginning of iMovie, you know, with this interface. iGetter is a way of downloading stuff really fast. Wait, I'm not going to demonstrate that. Never mind, it's going to take too long. Sorry. Download stuff faster than Google Chrome on me. Image capture, I don't know what that is. Image to icons lets me change image files to ICNS files. Use that for changing icons. iMovie HD, you know, basic movie. It's like the Windows Movie Maker for Mac, I guess. All my photos are in iPhoto. Quit. Well, I want to quit. Not froze. Alright. iSync. I think it's just sync stuff besides iPods. iTunes, you know, my music. Syncing iPods. Kind of a lot of music, but how much is it? Almost 6.5 gigabytes, so lots of music. Wow, alright. iWeb is where I work on manage my websites. I don't use the Dreamweaver because it costs just too much, and I'm not gonna steal it or pirate it, whatever you want to call it. I'm not gonna do that, so because that's illegal. So I just use iWeb, and I have my different pages of. This is my website for YouTube, and I have my different kinds of videos here, and people can request videos. I enter what kind of stuff, but this site isn't nice. I'm not done with this site yet. I'm almost done, but it's probably gonna be up within the next week or so. There's my other website. So iWeb is pretty cool. Here I have my Lego Star Wars video game. It's fun. I play that almost every day. Well, I only got it about a week ago though. Light icon. This is like Candy Bar except it's free. You can change your dock, your stuff icons and stuff. This can work together with Dock Library to get for quote free Candy Bar unquote. Live Type came with Final Cut Express, and this is to make intros. I haven't used this yet either, but I will soon to make my intro. Mail does not work with my email. I don't know why. It's kind of lame. Microsoft Messenger again. I use Skype, not this. I don't even have a Microsoft Messenger account. Microsoft Office, you know, Word, PowerPoint, Excel. It had Outlook, but it wouldn't even let me open it, so I deleted it. Silverlight, that lets me watch Netflix. Numbers, I have some keygen things. Osmos, this is a fun little game where you can be microorganisms and move around, so it's pretty fun. Hemisphere Games presents. I'm just gonna share this really quickly, just what this is. See, I want to go to this one. See, here's my little mouse, and what you are is you're a microorganism, and you gotta absorb others and get bigger. And we'll see, the goal in this one is just to become the biggest. So, see, I'm the blue one, and the red ones are too big to eat. The little ones are, you gotta jet around and get them. And see, I can't get near the red, otherwise I just lost a little bit of juice. Soon enough, I'll be able to eat that red one once I'm big enough. See, no, look at that. So now I'm big enough, I can go eat all these. See, it says level completed because now I'm the biggest. I just completely absorbed that, but they're pretty simple. You just kind of jet around and absorb stuff with extremely calm music. This is just the demo because I got it today. I haven't bought the game yet, but I'm probably going to. See, that's me. I'm the biggest now. Then exit. Quit. Quit. It's a nice relaxing game. Photo Booth is, fun with photos. I like this thing a lot. Previews like Adobe Reader on Mac. Quinn is Tetris for Mac. So fun. You can move around your little pieces and you can kind of tuck that, so that's just fun. Desktop connection came with Microsoft Suite. Connect to other computers and use the desktop. Sam Animation's my basic stop motion. I actually take the pictures with it, and I can do some simple editing. Not that good for editing too much, just for pretty much taking the pictures and putting them together into a movie. ScreenFlow is open recording right now. Skype. Some people I showed you some of these other stuff for ScreenFlow, but I'm using ScreenFlow. Skype I just got, so I only have 2 contacts in here. I haven't asked any of my friends what their Skype is, so I haven't gotten around to it. Stickies, I just use the sticky notes on here. System preferences, tweak your Mac. But what I have in there is I only got one thing there. It's called Secrets. Secrets is a preference pane that lets me modify some stuff. See, what I did is in iTunes I made it allow half-star ratings and high contrast. I gave it a black sidebar. See, look, when I open iTunes, see how it's all black like that? So I coolified iTunes. No, alright. Anyway, text edit. I also have a text editor, word processor, whatever you want to call it. Time Machine, I don't have a thing to back up on. HonRX opens .rar files. I've used it a lot. In the utilities, we have a bunch of stuff. VLC player, I changed the icon with a light icon, and it's a player. I actually uninstalled QuickTime because I didn't need it. Wine lets me run Windows applications on my Mac, including games. You don't need crossover games or crossover anything. Wine is free. Puts a little wine glass up here. And now I can open Windows. See, I have my own little Windows files here. See what I have. I have MGI Photo Suite is one program I have. There's the exe file. Go. It opens it in X11, and it's like Windows. I have a notepad I made on here and other stuff. So. Work on your own. See, there's a nerd. So, see, my mouse is white like Windows, and if I hit open, it's like the Windows Explorer, so it's pretty cool. That's about it for my application folder, except for Wine Bottler, which is if you convert, you can also convert them to Mac files, and you do that with Wine Bottler. So that's it for my apps. I don't have too many, but alright. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful on if you're looking for good apps, I guess. Bye.